Barack Obama's presidential inauguration. Barack Obama's presidential inauguration, the momentous event that was the inauguration of the 44th President of the United States, had to be marked in style, and Legoland California had their own ideas. They created a small version of Barack Obama's inauguration with a near-perfect Capitol Hill opened in the background. But the most impressive thing was the details by the designers. They worked on every single figure to resemble it to perfection. You just might catch the eye of Michelle Obama, or Laura Bush, or even Joe Biden as you pass through this masterpiece. Number 2. Volvo XC90 SUV. Making exact replicas on the scale of 1:1 is never easy, but easy is a language that the Lego master builders at Legoland California do not speak. After beginning successful partnership with the Swedish automotive partner Volvo, as part of a safety promotion campaign, they decided to market in the most unusual of ways. Volvo's award-winning SUV was pieced together, taking 4 months and over 200,000 individual bricks to complete, becoming the official car of Legoland California. They even replaced this Lego monstrosity with their boss's personal car, a Volvo X60, and he almost got in and drove off, only to realize he had been pranked. All this was recorded and became a viral sensation. Number 3. Life-size statue of Jesus Christ. A Swedish church in Västerås took on the task of creating a real-size replica of Jesus Christ. The church, about 70 miles west of Stockholm, received a generous donation of nearly 30,000 Lego bricks from the members of its congregation to create a 5-foot 8-inch high statue, reproducing the work of Danish sculptor Bertel Thorvaldsen, depicting the resurrection of Christ. They marked their Easter celebration by unveiling the replica after a year of work. It continues to grace the aisles of the church after it was revealed, and it will remain permanently in the church. Number 4. Milan Lego Tower. When a Lego structure breaks the Guinness World Record for the tallest structure made of nothing but Lego bricks, we tend to take notice. The unbelievable 113-foot tower rises into the Milan skyline, harnessing the power of 500,000 Lego bricks to achieve this breathtaking feat. The creative collaboration of thousands of Lego fans made this structure what it is. Lego noticed and decided to donate €7 for every centimeter built of the tower to Urban Oasis, a project developing and maintaining green areas in cities. The event was visited by over 50,000 spectators, and the 18,000 builders watched on as Italian TV personality Alessandro Catalan added the final brick to the top of the tower. Number 5. James May's Lego House. The British TV personality is best known as one of the easygoing co-presenters of automotive show Top Gear. He has a little secret, or 3.3 million little Lego brick secrets, fueled by the best for creating a waterproof house. Sadly, the building had to be demolished and bricks donated since Legoland declined to move it to one of their theme parks on the account that it would be too expensive to move. The best for creating a waterproof house. Sadly, the building had to be demolished and bricks donated since Legoland declined to move it to one of their theme parks on the account that it would be too expensive to move.